In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a gradient text effect in Canva, a quick and creative way to make your design stand out. This simple trick only takes a few minutes and adds that perfect splash of color to your work. If you've ever wanted your text to have that smooth, color blending look that fades from one shade to another, this tutorial will walk you through every step. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Canva. You can either open an existing design or create a new one from scratch. Once your workspace loads, look over to the left-hand panel and click on the Apps button. In the search bar that appears, type Gradient. Press Enter and Canva will instantly show you a variety of gradient elements you can use, from subtle fades to vibrant multicolor blends. These gradients will be the key to creating your effect. Take a quick look through the options and pick one that fits your design style. You'll find all kinds: soft pink fades, blue to purple transitions, gold tones, and more. Click on one you like and it will appear on your canvas. Now that your gradient is ready, let's move on to adding text. Click on the text tool on the left sidebar and choose Add a Heading, Add a Subheading, or add a little bit of body text, whichever suits your design best. Click anywhere on the canvas to place your text box, then type your message or word. At this point, feel free to choose a bold font that will show off your gradient effect nicely. Fonts with thicker lettering tend to work best since they allow the gradient colors to really pop. You can adjust the font size and spacing as needed to match your layout. Here's the key part. Canva doesn't have a built-in gradient text feature yet, but there's a clever workaround. With your gradient element already on the canvas, resize and position it so that it completely covers the text you just added. You can stretch it horizontally or vertically depending on how you want the color transition to look. Next, click on your gradient and in the top right corner, click Position. Choose Send Backward or Send to Back until it sits behind your text. Now, here's the creative trick that ties it all together. Select both your text box and the gradient at the same time. Simply hold Shift and click on both elements. Then, right-click on the selection and look for the Create Clipping Mask or Add to Design option depending on your Canva version. This step merges your text and gradient visually, giving your text that beautiful blended look. If your version of Canva doesn't show the clipping option, there's an easy manual method. Place your gradient over the text, adjust the transparency to your liking, and duplicate the text layer in white underneath it. This adds contrast and gives the illusion of gradient-filled text. You can experiment with different gradients and angles to find what looks best. Try diagonal fades for a dynamic look, or soft pastel blends for a cleaner, minimal design. When you're happy with the result, go ahead and lock your layers so nothing shifts by accident. You can then continue building your design. Add icons, shapes, or a background image to complement the text. Once everything looks perfect, click Share in the top right corner and download your finished design in PNG or JPEG format. And that's it. You've just created a gradient text effect in Canva. It's simple, creative, and makes your design instantly more eye-catching. Whether you're making a social media post, a YouTube thumbnail, or a presentation slide, this trick helps your text stand out beautifully. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors and fonts. Sometimes unexpected combinations produce the best results. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you learn something new. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more Canva tips and creative tutorials coming your way. Happy designing!